my gosh, that thing is so freaking cool. What is going on, everybody? John Spankystokes here with another video review, and today we have something really special. It's special because it's not released yet, but it's going to release, and we get the first look at it, which is super cool. And I want to give a big shout out to Benny over at Tenacious Toys for sending this out. This, of course, is the, what you see here. What is it? Do you guys know? So, KMND-Z worked with House of Blues and 3D Retro to produce Hobbs by KMND-Z, or House of Blues Water Tower Bird. This specific guy was painted on House of Blues as a mural by KMND-Z. And they released a figure, I want to say last year? I had never seen one in person, but all the pictures I had seen from that OG release, it was just like, are you kidding me? This thing is so friggin' cool. Plus, KMND-Z is one of the coolest guys ever. But this one specifically is a Tenacious Toys exclusive, and it's a glow-in-the-dark one. Right? Alright, so let's go and crack this thing open and take a look for the box. Pretty basic. Has some scribbles on it, got a little illustration. Nice step and repeat pattern. Has a little print of what the mural looked like. Alright, let's go and open this thing up and look at the figure, right? So this is going to release this coming Monday. Or when you see this, I think it will be Monday already. So it's going to release today. And if that doesn't make any sense at all, let me throw a date there. Monday, April 8th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time through the Tenacious Toys web store, tenacioustoys.com. So, it's got nice clamshell packaging to keep it nice and safe during transit. And it has a nice bag around it. Oh, dude, this thing is so cool. Be careful. Alright, so this is vinyl. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, that thing is so freaking cool. Kind of speechless right now. Dude, the production on this thing is so sick. Is it articulated at all? I don't think so. I don't want to break it. So it's more of an art sculptural piece. Has can you see that? HOB, House of Blues, like scribbles on it. It doesn't look like it should be like a production piece. It looks like it should be a custom, just with all the weathering. He doesn't stand completely flat, which, I mean, whatever. That seriously doesn't bother me at all. But, oh my gosh, it features a detail sculpt and deco that is just, I mean, it's totally KMND-Z. Like that, this screams his style. And of his like original paintings, and of the few custom toys and figures he's done. It's like, this is, that's his deal. All So cool. So this is going to be limited to 75 pieces. So super limited. And it's going to retail for 80 bucks. And like I said, this glows. How about we get a little close up? If we can get close up on here. Command-Z. Is there anybody in there? Look at the feathers. The legs are really cool. The top. Wow. So like I said, this thing glows. So let's go ahead and try it out, shall we? Let me turn off the lights in here. There's one light. So I'm going to charge it up real quick. Alright, here we go. Let's charge it. Charge. I'm charging it in the light right now. I'm going to turn this one off real quick to make sure. Alright, then we're going to set this thing down in front of the camera and then turn off this light. So here we go. Let's see if it... There you go. So the glow isn't that noticeable because it's painted over, but it definitely glows. I feel like I should have charged it a little bit longer, but there's the proof. The proof is in the pudding, or the pudding, whatever you want to say, how you want to say it. Pretty spectacular, if you ask me. So yeah, the House of Blues Water Tower Bird by KMND-Z, produced by 3D Retro, and this exclusive is through TenaciousToys.com, Monday, April 8th at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for $75. And it's going to sell out because there's only 75 of them. It's $79, so 80 bucks, 75 pieces. Very, very, very cool. Just so you guys can get a size comparison, here's that dude from Super Plastic. Do I have a 3-inch dunny around here somewhere? I got a custom from Mr. Mars. So there's a custom 3-inch dunny, so you can see the size of that thing. It's a nice 8 inches and 8 inches wide as well. Very, very cool. So don't miss out on this drop, everybody. Once again, shout out to Benny. You are awesome, dude. Thank you for sending this out. What an awesome exclusive. Alright, guys. Until next time, peace and hair grease. Caca! Don't forget to like and subscribe.